Unlock your design potential. Learn how to create stunning tables in Canva that will elevate your presentations and make your data shine. Perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who loves clean, organized visuals. So hey guys, and welcome again in another video where I will show you how you can make a table with canva.com. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Canva, it refers to the process of using the platform's tools and features to design and customize templates for organizing data or information visually. This can include adjusting style sizes, adding text, incorporating colors and styles, and integrating tables into broader designs like reports or presentations. Canva simplifies this process with its intuitive interface, making it easy to create professional-looking tables without advanced design skills. So right now all I have to do is just go and sign up, and then you write your email address and your password, and you will find this home page as you can see. So before we have also other things like design profile, such as visual documents, photos and videos, print, marketing also. Then we have your business like Canva Enterprise, Canva Teams, Contact Sales, have also your business solutions, use case resources also. Then we have your education, teachers and schools, students, teaching resources, LMS integrations, case studies, higher education. Then you have your plans and pricing like free, design anything and bring your ideas to life, no cost, just creativity. Then we have Pro, Unlock Premium, content more powerful, design tools, and EA features. Then we have your teams, enterprise, and we have the last one which is the Canva block, design school, events, and then we have help center here. So then you will find this page after your inscription. So creating a table in Canva is a simple and effective way to organize information visually. Start by logging into your Canva account and selecting a template that fits your project needs, such as a presentation or infographic. Navigate to the Elements tab in and search for tables to find various table styles. Once you add a table to your design, you can easily customize it by resizing, adding or removing rows and columns, and entering your data. Enhance the visual appeal by adjusting cell colors, borders, and text alignment to create a cohesive look. Don't forget to add icons or images for extra flair. When you are happy with your design, download or share it directly from Canva. This user-friendly process allows anyone, regardless of design experience, to create professional-looking tables effortlessly. So right now all I have to do is just click over here and search your contact and canvas, then you click over to Canva templates, and then you search over table. So this is the table. You can just select the one you want, for example this one or this one. So I will select this one for example, then I will click over customize the template, and we will find this page. So this is it. I will add first a page, and I will show you how you can do that. For example, I want this one. I will just copy it, then I will put it here like that. Then I will just put it like that. Then I will duplicate this. You have here duplicate if you want. I'll put another one here. Then I will duplicate another one. So this is it. Then if you wanna add another one, for example this one, then I will click over copy. Then I will come back here and I will click over here. So like that. Then I will just select how much, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5. So I will choose only 4. So I will duplicate again. So we have here 34 and here also 34. Then I will duplicate again another one. So like that, we have 3. I will add another one. As you can see, then I will select what I will write inside, but before I will just select also this one, and I will copy it, then I will paste it here. Over here, 3, 1, 2, 3. As you can see, I will do it like that for this same. Then I will duplicate this one. So like that. Then I will just duplicate also this one. And like that, I will put it again here. So this is. Then I will duplicate again once I finish. So this is it. Then I duplicate again and another one. So this is the last one. So this is my table. I will write here, for example, days. Then we have here, for example, marks. Then we have here, for example, names. Then I will write here the days. For example, here we have Monday. Then we have also here, for example, Wednesday. We have here Friday, for example. Then we have here, for example, Sunday. Then we'll write here the marks, for example, how much. If it's at 9. Then here I will write another one. For example, this one 10. We have another one here. For example, 6. Then we have here another one. For example, 8. Then I will write here name. For example, Mike. We have also, for example, Jan. Then also we have here, for example, Selena. Then we have here all the last one, which is like, for example, Anna. So this is it. So right now I will select here the color, for example, if you want Monday, and also if you wanna select the color, for we have here yellow, you can select green, you can select the one you want. So this is how you can make a table. So this is my own table, as you can see. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.